We all know that the Parlux blow dryer is the best blow dryer in the world. What you may not know is that the filter has a hair-free system. The hair-free system is this little corkscrew that you'll find on the Allion dryer that catches all those hairs before they get sucked into your motor and mess things up. The other thing that you may not know is that you can get a silencer with your Parlux blow dryer. The silencer fits all Parlux blow dryers. The silencer goes on with a push and comes off with a pull. If you twist your silencer when you're turning it on or taking it off, your filter may come off inside your silencer. So don't do that. We get a lot of calls, people saying that their filter disappeared, and we tell them it's inside your silencer because you didn't push it on and pull it off. A couple little extra features about the world's best blow dryer.